Hello guys, welcome to part 2. I'm cooking noodles. Look, I'm cooking this noodles. It's with meat and I don't know. Meat with vegetables. Is that boiling water?
Yeah.
Can I put it?
No. Be careful, matatapon naman.
Hey guys, I put the noodles now. Time to mix. Where's the chopsticks? The chopsticks.
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 Wala naman gulay.
Wala lang gulay.
Wala na. Sana yung gulay natin. Wala na. Napasa na da.
Well, hindi na with gulay. Chopsticks. I have the chopsticks.
Vamos. We are late.
Where?
Charts. Asare, come here na. We don't need anak.
But Sabrina? Say who? You want some? Yum. Comer? Yum. I'm just holding a bracelet.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, let's wait.
Patay mo na yan kasi. Enough na. Long time, no? Yeah.
When you will cook.
Wala nang milk. Sabihin mo kay Papa walang milk.
Wala nang milk? Is that for you? Kuya, what he want?
I don't know.
Meron pa.
But only one more.
Papa, wala na milk. Papa. No? Wala na. Little, there's more.
Patay mo na yun, anak ko.
Yum.
Patay mo na.
Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow.